JJ, the Giddy man. Listen, custom cleats with the Swarovski crystals. Okay? You got diamonds on your cleats. You got a mouthful of diamonds. And you got 2 or 3 chains on your neck. Listen, Aqeel Talib, nigga, the rest of you cornerbacks, I wish the fuck you would grab Justin fucking Diamonds. Okay? You ain't grabbing Justin Diamonds. You know why? Because you can't fucking catch him. You can't fucking catch him. All you gonna see is bling bling running past you. Justin. Listen, blood. Listen. This is the new shit. Jerry Rice could never. Michael Irvin would have had this many rocks, he would have smoked them. Okay? Andre Rison, you would have smoked them crystals, them fucking diamonds. So Justin is out here showing you niggas